If you're looking for the perfect gift for tea lovers, you are going to love this Tulsi tea set I was just gifted from Organic India, as there is so much to love about this incredible tea set. Now, I want to talk about Organic India to start, but before I do, I'm just going to open up one of these bags. They have a lovely paper bag on the exterior. And of course, the inside is your standard, very clean tea bag with clear tea throughout. This is the Masala Chai, so it has a little bit of powder in it, thanks to the spices and herbs in it. So that's gonna go right in there while I tell you about these incredible teas. Now, Organic India is standout for so many reasons. In the early 2000s, they were revolutionary in bringing USDA organic standards to India. They also focus on bioregenerative farming, which is far more than maintaining the status quo. It is actually improving upon the land and the climate. On top of that, their entire focus is actually on helping farmers, and they provide training, fair pay, and help in the process of getting organic certification. So this brand is not only helping us with extremely high quality products, but they are helping the land and the people on the land stand out in so many ways. And because of that, they are a certified B Corporation, and they also provide a lot of supplements, and they were the first company ever to get global fair trade certification for their supplements. So you can feel so good about this brand. On top of it, they make some really, really tasty teas. All of the herbs in these teas are gently hand-picked and milled in their LEED Platinum certified building, and you get quite a few. You get the Tulsi Sweet Rose, and these all have Tulsi, which is the holy basil adaptogenic herb, which has been used in India for over 5,000 years to help support a healthy stress response. Tulsi is considered the queen of herbs, so all of these have that. And this herbal infusion is subtly sweet with Indian roses, chamomile, and the Tulsi. And I absolutely adore their ginger turmeric. I have had this many times in the past. This is my introduction to Organic India. This is a wonderful Tulsi turmeric ginger tea. Really wonderful all around. They also provide their ashwagandha, which is native to the areas where they cultivate it, in its own tea with Tulsi. So this is really focused on stress response. Tulsi Original is just the Tulsi, but this is an original for good reason and well loved for it. And then you have Tulsi Sleep, which is the Tulsi, ashwagandha, and chamomile. So a very calming blend. And finally, you have the Tulsi Masala Chai, which I've had steeping this whole time. Now this one has the Tulsi, and then it has all of those different spices of the Masala Chai, like cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black clove, and ginger, and it has black tea in it. So there's a lot going on in this one. And this makes me want to stop working, curl up on the couch, read a book. This is exactly what I want in a masala chai tea. I am so impressed with the quality of these teas, with the planet and people focus of these teas. And not only that, but they come in this absolutely beautiful box. You get 60 tea bags, and I think this would make an incredible gift for anybody. The Organic India Tulsi tea set is standout, and I highly recommend it.